has become so predictable. Wow. Betting we neck what for the BLBD. The only thing they are changing is you see now I'm for from unanimous FC.
Yeah.
And now you see they just try to balance it just to make it look like. But you see, ordinary ruling from the highest pinnacle of judicial power bar. And people respect it.
Yeah.
But there is one thing that is missing. That respect is not there. Because I'm telling you, sitting at the bench and dispensing justice is just a smaller part of it. Getting people to believe and trust in the justice delivery system, that is the whole package. You understand? So working one part and not working one part. That is why I'm very much concerned about the many concerns being raised by Ghanaians. Okan Mo Ibrahim.
Yeah.
See, Afro barometer. I search about this whole judiciary. So, because it is not about the final delivery, it is about the processes and the circumstances. Recently, we went to court. Don't forget, say, Asamno Kaka say, Speaker of Parliament, Uncle defending a Onua who's assembling Kusiaga. So he didn't go there with a representation. So I have finger marking Kwan Yeti. So that is by the way. Asamwe Kosono. Chief Justice Empanele team there was one person failed parliamentary candidate of the New Patriotic Party, the MPP. It was raised at the Supreme Court. This is the highest judicial power. That's Obia our partisan ties in the past. Our core MP, our fairly, our whole central. Not such a critical case. What number 10? Common sense will tell you say it will not augur well with you and the people. Because do you know why? Chief Justice by and say, this is a constitutional matter. Constitutional matter brought forth by political actors. And young Coco didn't send no call to a nipa from political party and the call. So the political interest, so you can discount it on the basis a constitutional matter and obi our known partisan ties among for him say nipa way or MPP ni or call parliamentary way ofeli and a President Akufo-Addo abeg the judge and such a sensitive matter what tap number so I am not saying say what the Supreme Court the ababonten correct and that's because I'm no to me we have no right, we have no power, but you will to match what I say era we are woman no yamfa me judge na me we hunu nipa what I say na make actually there be other maker Pontius Pilate no parents no mo sha dade che no kwa na man for come adwene kire no na nti se your friends era we ya we you will sit there obama with judgment, we will sit here, we will express because that is democracy.
No say
dade che omokura no also okoku yesu no say or your friends Barnabas onja Barnabas no ku yesu anya public no mo shout to him. So you don't sit there and think dispensing justice and it ends there, everybody should shut up. No, among for better because there are certain basic elements border on common sense, reasoning, and logic. We heard the Supreme Court ruling in recent times. Every and then a man for a lose trust and confidence. And to what as a judge, as a chief justice, you should know that you are just passing because Obi Abatina paying. All that you do is to redeem the image of the judiciary because we are going to an election. There will be a number of cases coming up. And if you have people not trusting the judiciary, you should be worried because at the end of the day, as some as I know you court and you settle. At the end of the day, what happens? We are moving into an era of chaos. What I say, and it's the reason why it is incumbent on the judiciary and the chief justice today. I am sending her a text message say, on repair their friends said the image of the judiciary because the image of the Ghana's judiciary is in the tatters, is in the gutters. Onima me catch no, and she has to do everything to repair. And yes, as a Ghana for lose trust, confidence, our judiciary we are done because baby I do no. Ruling number right, whether right or wrong, I don't care. But I'm very much concerned about public trust in the institution because democracy, revolve around the last time I catch you say. So we are democracy to her. If you sit somewhere and you think the soldier for the bomb by police, I will bottom and your police. It is we the people. The trust and the confidence we repose in state institutions, democratic institutions, and I'm democracy in the Just imagine say everybody in Accra, that's around a pass and you see a by demonstration. Do you think the president can sit here? We saw what happened in Sri Lanka when the citizens rose to the Jubilee House. The president ran away. You understand? So power, the sovereignty of Ghana, residing on we the people. It doesn't matter who you are, Chief Justice or Supreme Court. You are just a smaller part of it, playing a role. Very soon you fade. You understand? Another person will come, but we need to protect this country. So don't sit there and allow yourself to be used as a stooge in the hands of power. Say, Obi directed, then you go. Use your conscience. I don't care whether people belong to NDC or MPP. But you see, never lose your conviction. Never lose your offense, your conscience. But we've gotten to a point that we've lost everything. No value, no principle, no morality. Then I say for them. And then Supreme Court remains have a conversation. As my catcher say, whatever be the outcome, no, inconsequential to resolving this matter. Because then the Supreme Court has ruled in favor of MPP. Do you think the NDC MPs will go and sit there? For parliament business to happen,
it's something else.
No, that is up to them. They can also decide to boycott. Into a boycott, the speaker cannot make decision our house, so because also you don't have the number. So I know that what happens is the reason why America said in modern governance and as for there are methods about they resolve some of these issues, mediation, reconciliation, whole lot of stuff. Because we are all learned individuals, are very rational. Court. Yet we settle, we argue among ourselves. How do we resolve this particular issue? Now, I know the day, consistently we are forcing them to lose trust in our institutions, and I think that is very dangerous. Obama Bahano catcher and say Africa should build strong institution. He was not talking about who are now, and I said Obi Betina institution in my barrio. He was talking about allowing rule of law principle in the way Sabaya nipa benya trust because remember that's why I need trust to police. I do think Minake is a report to police. We need to have trust in all these institutions because that is what makes democracy today. And look at the kind of state are you women there. The media, the police, everything. Democracy, the only fortunate thing I hear is that Ghana for are very discerning enough. Say we don't want to break our fourth republic because circumstances are revolve around Africa. How some countries are breaking their democracy. The Ghana but because we are civilized, we are very tolerant people. We hope that election is in the offing. Let us hope that things will get better. So Supreme Court, there's somebody ruling about it, but we are telling them that our integrity out there, it's in the gutters. And it is incumbent upon them to do everything to repair. They should go and look at the Mo Ibrahim report. They should go and look at the first Afro Barometer report. You should be very much concerned. What the program was now? Man for the any rating be a man for a board downward. Shouldn't you be concerned about it? When you know, say whatever you do, a revolve around public trust and confidence. You can sit there and say you don't care, but institution now what to get them, and I think that is very sad.